Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. If you're looking for a survey distribution tool, you're in the right place. We're going to have a look at SurveyMonkey, all of its advantages, and how it can best help you. So let us jump in. The first thing that I want to go through is the user-friendly interface. If you're going around and having a look at how SurveyMonkey is designed, it has an intuitive design which makes it easy for anyone to create and distribute surveys. Even if you don't have any actual previous skills, it's super easy to use. With a simple drag and drop editor, you can customize your survey questions, add logic jumps, and choose from a variety of question types. Plus, SurveyMonkey offers a pre-built survey template to help you to get started. The second thing we're having a look at is analytics. Now, SurveyMonkey's analytics tools provide detailed insight into your survey responses, allowing you to make data-driven decisions. You can filter and compare responses, create custom charts and graphs, and you can even export your data to Excel or any other software that you'd like. Plus, SurveyMonkey offers advanced features like sentiment analysis and text analysis to help you uncover deeper insights. Let's talk about some of the integrations. SurveyMonkey integrates with a variety of other tools, including CRM software, marketing automation platforms, and collaborative tools. This means you can easily import and export data, automate survey distribution, and analyze responses in the context of your other business data. One of the main concerns for anybody is security and reliability. SurveyMonkey takes data privacy and security seriously, with features like SSL encryption, HIPAA compliance, and GDPR compliance. Plus, with their 99.99% uptime and redundant data centers, you can trust that your surveys will always be available when you need them. So you're probably wondering at this stage, what does all of this cost? Now, SurveyMonkey does offer a range of affordable pricing. SurveyMonkey offers many different packages to suit different budgets and also different needs. All the way from your free plan, which we are currently using now, all the way up to the enterprise level. Plus, with features like unlimited surveys and questions, you can get the most out of your investment if you are using a paid plan. One of the other things that we do need to talk about is that you can actually use SurveyMonkey with custom branding, A/B testing, and survey scheduling and real-time results. This is great, so you can really personalize, customize, and get a handle on what you're actually doing here. Let us know in the comments section what you think of SurveyMonkey. Do you use it already? Would you like to start using it? And we'll see you in another awesome video. Peace.